Hi everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to link a subreport to a main report in Jaspersoft. For this demonstration, we have created two reports, a main report and a subreport. We are using the employee and department tables as sample data. The subreport is designed to display employee details for a specific department ID. Let's get started. First, open the main report and drag and drop the subreport component into the desired section of the report. Next, select the existing report option. Click Choose a report file, browse to the location of the subreport, and select Absolute Path in the file system. Choose the required subreport file and click Next. In the next step, select Use Same Connection used to fill the master report. Then, configure and map the parameters that need to be passed from the main report to the subreport. In this example, we pass the department ID parameters so that the subreport displays only the employees belonging to the selected department. Once the configuration is complete, click Finish. The subreport has now been successfully added to the main report. Finally, adjust the alignment and size of the subreport component as needed. Save the report and run it to verify the output. As you can see, the subreport displays employee details for the corresponding department ID selected in the main report. This is how you can link a subreport to a main report in Jaspersoft. Thank you for watching.